Geometric precision. Are the components inside just a random jumble, not according to MIT's three-dimensional reconstruction? The new data allowed Dr. Avide Zakor's consulting team to help create a complete three-dimensional map of the sphere's interior, and it confirms the arrangement is deliberate and mathematically precise. The 18 microspheres aren't scattered, they are locked into two concentric rings, an outer ring of 16 and an inner ring of 2, all perfectly spaced around the central processor. Zakor explained, in the 2025 technical brief, that the positioning is irrefutably intentional, following a calculated geometric pattern that optimizes connectivity. Every single sphere is linked to the central unit by the filament network, creating a perfect hub and spoke topology. This is the exact same design principle used in modern distributed sensor networks and satellite systems for achieving 360-degree coverage and efficient data processing. Such a design implies a clear purpose, suggesting the spheres are nodes in a network, not just passive elements. It's a blueprint for a distributed system, engineered with startling foresight.